May 22nd, 2019. Came out this morning to check on the greenhouse before I went off to do some other things. This vent was slid up and kind of halfway cocked and open. Come to find out, the door hinge screws that were in here were only about 1.5 inches long, and they actually pulled out under the force of I think a combination of the wind and the linear actuators opening them. So I came back up here and I pulled the rest of the 1.5 inch ones out, and I set some 3.5 inch steel like deck type screws into them, so hopefully that'll hold it. But interesting that linear actuator was powerful enough to basically shear the screws right out of the door. So yeah, anyway, fixed it and back functional. Alright, just a quick update on the venting system for the Raspberry Pi, for the greenhouse, etc. Thanks for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network.